Hello guys, in today's video, I will show you how to form multiple Instagram account and step by step to create a warm-up script. So this is software that I use. First we have the account management. Here we'll add and manage multiple Instagram account. You can see here I have more than 50 account. And with large number of Instagram account you will need to attach proxy. So each account will have a different IP. And my account you can log in like this. You can see here we'll also open the browser and start logging into Instagram. After we log into warm-up script we will go to interaction script. Here we'll help you to make an auto script that will help you to warm up your account. I'll click to add new script. First, I'll click to add new script here. And then enter the script name like this is the farm day 1. In day 1, I will choose the light action, like re-notification, watching story, new feed, watching reel, liking post, and there's two number here. Because each account will randomly choose a number between. Like I will watch a story from 20 to 30 seconds. And I will scroll your feed for about 10 minutes. And I will watching reel liking some post. Or you can comment to post. You can tag your friends. You can comment with hashtag. Or you can interact with your following or follower. Or you can interact with any account that you want. Here you can interact by keyword. You enter the keyword here. And then you choose the action that you want. Okay. After we set up the action that we want, so it will be 5 action, I'll enter here. And then I set up the break interval time. Between action will be 5 to 10 seconds. And I click here. So no interruption duplicate. Okay. I will have my script here. So I will have the script farm day 1. And then I will choose the count. This is the count that I want to warm up. And then I will set up the number of thread. Is the number of account running at the same time. And then I press start. And then we let the software do the work. There you can see we'll also open the browser and start logging into Instagram. And it will follow the script that I set up. It will start a scroll new feed, read notification, watching reel, watching story, and liking some post. Basically mimic the reaction of a people. Normally the warm-up process for account will take about 5 to 7 days. Okay, you can check the whole process start working on the screen. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail will pin down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. And subscribe to Jung Social Tools channel.